We are going to the apartments, coffee apartments, which are right here. Well, how do we, oh, maybe we go up here? Okay, we're walking into the cafe apartments. This has been on our to-do list since day one. Okay, there's a bookstore right next to it, so don't be confused on where to go. So here you can see they're advertising where they're, I should maybe turn off my fan. Okay, so this is the one we just were, so it's level 4. Oh, the elevator fee is not that bad. It's 3,000. Okay, well, it's 3,000 up and down, which is not that much. It's about 10 cents, 15 cents. But we'll just, so it actually is air conditioned now, it feels like. So it's better than what was discussed. Okay, here on the first or second floor, there's nothing. Here on the second floor, it looks like there's something, and poke. Okay, here on this floor, there's the Arabica Cafe. And then here's some natural bath products. You wanna look in here? Let's get coffee first. Focus. So on this floor, which may be the third, oh, this is the fourth floor then. Here, this is a Japanese brand, percentage. There's also down here is 21 grams vegetarian food, and let's go look at that. What is that over there? 21 grams. You can have different things like beef noodle soup, curried rice, Japanese curry. So kind of like a mixture of things to please everyone. There's egg coffee here. We're gonna stop here, but oh, the Arabica Cafe that was advertised, and then Choco Vine, which is cafe and wine. So it might be good for something at night. Oh, and then they refund the elevator fee. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, but since we didn't get to try this in Japan, we're gonna try this. We had a $7 lemonade yesterday, but we'll see how the coffee is.
So Percent Arabica is a renowned Japanese coffee chain known for its minimalist design and high-quality brews.
We watched another person spend $18 USD here for 2 drinks and a pastry, so pretty cute. Their other location was near the post office, so this is just a cute, smaller location. An iced 12 ounce of Spanish latte or Kyoto latte is a little under $6. No, a little under $5. How is it what is the difference, Kyoto latte versus Spanish latte? So this one
will be more stronger, this will be more flavor. So you have one caramel ice with Etiva and one Kyoto latte ice is $2.25.
Oh. So this is the view from above. Dang, I thought this place would be filled with stores.
Stores? Stores of what?
Like just little shops.
Oh, the tree.
Yeah. So.
This is just like
Okay, here there's probably one of the only places that have told you not to smoke. So we like that. I feel like a part of the fatigue, not just jet lag, is also getting over all the pollution.
So Percent Arabica is a renowned Japanese coffee chain that first opened its first store in Kyoto in September of 2014. So as of February 2025, Percent Arabica operates 2 stores in Vietnam, both of which are located in District 1 of Ho Chi Minh City. This was the first store, and the second store is located right next to the post office. It is open pretty late, so you can stop by and relax on a busy night if you wanted to.
Cheers. They spilled our other drink, so they're remaking it. Okay, we're leaving.
In the 5th floor, we have a few stores. There's Madame Nguyen, which is a Vietnamese restaurant known for its classical dishes. There's also Saigon, which is a cafe that offers a taste of Saigon-style coffee.
There's banh mi, gecko. It's not so badly priced. It's like $2.50. Another cafe, Madame Nguyen. Natural ham.
You can eat CNN.
CNN travel, must try. Okay. Right.
On the 6th floor is the 2nd story of the restaurant Madame Nguyen, and also this boutique hotel that looks like it was closed, called 6 Even.
Nothing seems to be there.
As we get to floor 7, there's another cafe and tea house called Bui House, and at the end of the hall there's a restaurant that serves sushi with a variety of dishes if you're looking for something other than Vietnamese food.
Michi. Michi is the name of our cat. Here you can get banana ice cream, salt coffee, oysters. Oysters for about $1.80 a piece.
Although there were 9 stories in this building, we ran out of time to explore floors 8 and 9. So if you happen to come here and do explore those floors, let us know what's up there.
Okay, we read some YouTube reviews that it smells bad, but it doesn't smell too bad, but I mean, I guess it's like, what is the, it's cute, but I think if you're looking for something more authentic, probably not this place.
I think this is a tourist.
Yeah, it's a tourist trap, yeah, for sure.
As we head back down to prepare to head out for our lunch appointment, Hector has a craving for donuts. So it turns out there is a donut place on the 3rd floor of this building, and so we head there to see what they offer.
What is the eye? Do you know what floor it's on? No, this is this floor we were just on. Oops. There's a place called Oops. Cute. Is it this one? Oh, it is. Okay, we're going to Dosh Donuts because Hector loves donuts.
As we head into the donut shop, I'm surprised at how many flavors they offer. They are Western style donuts and they are a little bit on the pricier side. I think they're about $2 to $3 USD. And when you compare this to everything else in Vietnam, it is a little bit more expensive.
Tea glazed. I think this is a passion fruit one. Oh, and then they have blended drinks too.
Chocolate.
Oh, cool. It's like the door opens and closes like a, oh, whoa, almost tripped there. Cute. So the Dosh Donuts also gives a pretty good view. I think it's 2 stories above.
Do you with me the Viet coffee donut?
Yeah, but don't you want the chocolate one?
I love the chocolate one, but I want to share with you and yeah.
Okay.
So while we were at the donut store, we actually saw a gecko trying to get into the air-conditioned shop. Fun fact about these geckos, if you've never seen them before, is that they actually are quite common in Vietnam, and they'll be climbing the walls or the ceilings, and they can drop down at any time. When my mom was growing up in Vietnam, this was one of her biggest fears because they were always around. Actually, compared to the few times that I had been to Vietnam before, there aren't actually as many geckos as there used to be. And this can be because of the urbanization that's been happening, leading to habitat loss for the geckos. This guy was pretty cute because he was going back and forth from the door as if he had been here before, trying to get in.
So our verdict is walking the stairs is not so bad.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah, and I think I think they cleaned it up on the YouTube. It seemed like it was really gross. It was kind of smelly. But it actually wasn't so bad at all. It didn't smell, maybe it's not too busy today, but it wasn't so bad.
So as we're leaving the apartment cafes, we're walking to lunch with my family, who we were on a big extended trip. So half of our trip was our couples, and then the other half was a group of 9 of us from all over the world.
Imagine how it would be if the U.S. would abide by, Lunar New Year and all these customs. Like instead of showing watermelons, like the things, we have like what, burgers, pizza, corn. Would that be in the photo? Here. McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Starbucks.
Yeah, corporations.
Corporate. Costco.
Facebook.
Oh, the Costco pizza would be like
Okay, and then we're reaching the end. Oh, you know what we didn't go to? There's like a waterfront park like around here.
Walking in Vietnam feels really safe compared to the United States or other places that I've been before. So I was a little bit worried about purse snatching and stuff like that, but it actually seemed to be a lot safer than I remember it. It's a lot more industrial now. The sidewalks are a lot cleaner and it's a lot less crowded on the streets. So we felt pretty safe the whole entire time we were here. Overall, I think the apartment cafes were worth a visit, but I don't know if I would come back again. It is a tourist trap, meaning that you're not going to see any locals there other than this restaurant on the second floor. I remember seeing a lot of locals when we were leaving the apartments, but everything else is catered towards tourists. So it doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing. I think that it was worth it to go, but just keep in mind that you're not really getting the authentic feel of the cafes. You're not really getting that experience, and you're going to be paying a lot more. Maybe about double the price or 1.5 times what you would outside of the apartment cafes. One cafe that I read about that I didn't get to check out during this trip was Okkio, O-K-K-I-O, and maybe that's something that you want to check out instead, or maybe before or after you visit the cafes, just for a comparison. One thing I would say is, unless it's super hot, I would just recommend walking. I know the elevator is not that expensive, but I think in order to get a feel of the whole experience, you want to check out each floor by walking, and it's not that long of a walk. So I would definitely recommend walking over taking the elevator.
We have arrived to eat at this restaurant.
So for the rest of this video, I'm showing you the walk from Diamond Plaza to the Nguyen Hue walking street.
Well, that was exciting, huh?
Did you record the bus?
I might have. So we almost got killed by a bus, and then the light turned red.
This area is definitely going to be the busiest tourist area that you get to experience in Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City. So a lot of it is under construction. The Notre Dame Cathedral, I think, is going to be under construction until 2027. So we weren't actually able to go in, but across the street from the cathedral is actually a big park that you can relax at, and a lot of locals actually can be seen here relaxing throughout the day. And then the other side is Diamond Plaza, where you can do some indoor shopping.
Oh, the kids are at the playground now.
What is really cool about Vietnam is that there are a lot of makeshift eating areas that pop up during lunchtime and also at night, where vendors actually come and sell from their stand, and then set up these plastic chairs where you can eat at. So during lunchtime here, because it's a school day, a lot of the parents or workers actually come out and eat right outside of their this area. So it's really cool to see, and you'll see this pop up like at all different places throughout the city and throughout the country.
Like 3 times the exact cost.
Okay, here is the percentage Arabica and Bui Dieng and the Notre Dame Cathedral. Oh yeah.
You want to get one from them?
No, this is a chain actually. I've seen it a few times. Let's go to way ahead. Yeah, I know. And then turns around and then he turns around and laughs. I'm like, dude, your kid almost died. Your kid literally almost died. Because he's walking like, yeah, he's like walking way too fast. Yeah.
As we leave the cathedral or the post office area, you kind of see that some gentrification of the area comes, and a lot of the luxury brand, a lot of luxury market goods are sold here. So we passed a bunch of Louis Vuitton, other luxury brand names. So if you are into that and you want to explore those stores in Vietnam, I would recommend staying at this area in District 1. One of the things that actually just recently opened, we didn't get a chance to check it out, is the metro station. It's Vietnam's first metro station. And another thing that we needed to do today was actually exchange money. So there's actually a few places that you can exchange money safely. The one that we went to is an official exchange store. We were told that it's actually, and we actually confirmed, it's gives you better rates than the bank. The other place that we didn't get a chance to this trip, but I have in previous trips, is actually to exchange it at a jewelry store. So the jewelry store actually will give you the best rate. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching our video about the apartment cafes. If you found this video useful, make sure to give the video a like. And if you want to see upcoming Vietnam videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Take care.